This is Mike, and this is an unboxing. Today happens to be Black Friday, November 26, 2010. Let's jump right in here. Just received this a couple of minutes ago. Let me see if I can carefully open this without tearing it. Happy holidays. Hope you had a Thanksgiving. Had a great Thanksgiving. Alright. I think I know what this is. Alright, there's a box. Alright. Just a little flyer. Live unboxing, guys. Whatever you see, I see for the very first time. That's why it's a live unboxing. Alright. So, this was an accessory that I saw for iPad. There's nothing else in the box. And I'm pretty sure you've never seen this before on YouTube. Empty box. Now look at this. The color black was all they had. Look at this. This is an apple. Believe it or not. No. It's hard rubber. And I'll tell you what it is. Let's pan down. What this is it's in the shape of an apple. But what it is, it's an iPad stand. As you can see the cutout here. And here's the iPad, and I'm going to put it in the stand. That's it. The iPad stand, and it's in the shape of an apple, and it does, I believe, landscape, which is my favorite, but it will also do landscape, and it will do portrait. But the cool thing about it is it's made out of rubber, and I think it seems kind of not too stable in portrait mode. So I think landscape mode is probably better. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, live unboxing, and please rate, comment, and subscribe. Happy holidays. Peace.